Hi, I'm Dana from Holistic Services Group, here with your weekly wellness tip. Now, many of you at the moment are juggling working from home with homeschooling, and some of you are doing that with multiple kids. So my tip this week is about how to do that while keeping your peace of mind, because we want to be emerging from this period with our mental and emotional health intact as much as we want our physical health intact. And that goes for your kids too, as well as you. Now, a lot of teachers are saying at the moment that what children are going to most remember from this time is not so much all of the academic stuff that they're getting through, but how they are feeling. And I think that goes for us too as adults. So my tips for you this week are, as much as possible, incorporate little small mental and emotional health breaks during the day. So that might mean, like for me, I've just come outside now. This is my backyard. And just taking 5 minutes to get some air, to get some blue sky, to get some sun on me. If you can, go outside for a walk. If you feel to, take your family, take your kids so that you all get some exercise. If you're indoors, put on some music, even just take a few minutes to shake the sillies out, regardless of age. Bake some cookies. And I know that we all have a million things to do on our to-do list, but making peace of mind our number one priority helps make everything else so much easier. And I feel that your children will love having permission to take these small little mental and emotional health breaks. I'm Dana from Holistic Services Group. If you would like some more tips on juggling working from home with kids, please click on the link below.